Here's how to get dual camera. Open the default camera app on your phone and now tap on this more. Here you will find dual record, just select it. And here we can see this part is my front camera and this part is my back camera. To change your camera, just tap on this icon. And here you can change your lenses. You can select front, ultra wide, wide or telephoto. So here's I've selected front camera and my wide camera. And then I'm just tapping on OK. And here we can see my camera. Now tap on this icon and here tap here. Now you can change your split mode just like so. You can select picture in picture view or you can select split view. So in my case, I'm selecting here picture in picture view. You can also tap on this option to change your camera resolution. So here's I'm selecting 4K at 30 frame per second. And now tap on this icon at the top to save videos in separate files, or you can select save video as previewed. So I'm selecting here save videos as previewed, and now I'm going to record a dummy video here just like so. And let's save this video. And now I'm going to my gallery, and here we can see I've successfully recorded my dual camera at the same time. That's it.